Google Play Store not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you simply need to do is make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Next, launch the Settings application on your device. Here you'll be able to see the option of About Phone, so simply tap on it. Then tap on your software updates, so make sure you have an updated version of your device. After checking in for the updates, go back and check on the storage. Make sure you have enough storage available on your device. After that, go back and simply scroll down to apps over here and then tap on Manage App. Now tap on the Play Store or the search bar and search for Google Play Store over here. As you search for the Google Play Store application, you'll be able to see the app pop up at the bottom. So simply tap on it, and here you can just what you can do is you can uninstall the updates, you can force stop, you can just tap on the clear data option and then clear the cache and tap on OK. After that, relaunch the Google Play Store and this might help you fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.